Hi viewers, are you watching all my programs? Then only I will be happy to say that you are watching, and I will love to do more and more new preparations. So I hope you are watching my program. So what we are going to do today, what I am going to do is spinach and salmon loaf. With the salmon and spinach we are going to do. Now I am going to use the salmon. Those who like, you can use even the pink salmon, whatever salmon you like you can use, so that it will be tasty, right? Boil chopped potatoes, finely chopped potatoes I am using. Then I am going to use the bread, about 3 slices of bread I am using. Now what I am going to do is I will mash this up nicely, mix it. After I mix it, I will use the butter into that. Butter, about 60 grams of butter I used. That also we will put and mix it. Now I am going to use here the spices, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, roasted and powdered I said, that also I used. Now I will use the balance ingredients, salt, a little bit of turmeric, chili pieces, and a little bit of chili powder. All that I have used. Nicely mixed it. If I want, I can use my fingers and hands and use, but not now. Lots of vegetables. When I say, the first vegetable which I am going to use is the spinach. 4 to 5 leaves, large ones, finely chopped onions, a little bit of garlic, red pepper, and I am going to use 1 capsicum, mint and coriander leaves, that also I am using. So you can see what I am doing here now. Didn't use all that, no tempering. Going to bake it. So we'll see how we are going to bake this now. Now I feel I have to use a little bit of pepper, a little chili pieces, a bit of chili powder, salt of course I have put enough. Right, now I am going to use 2 eggs into it. Now what I will do is, I have taken a loaf tin. The loaf tin that I have taken, you can see, I have buttered. I have put an oil paper at the bottom. Nicely butter this, and after I butter it, I will put the mixture into that. Something different to the normal preparation. Generally we temper, slightly we stir fry and put the vegetables. This time I didn't do that. We have already done this without putting tempering or anything. I have used the butter. We don't need oil also for this then. So you nicely mix it. Right. Now this is ready. What am I going to do? I am going to bake this. When I bake, you know what we are going to do here? 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. Same temperature like for cakes and pastries and all that. 180 centigrades and 360 Fahrenheit. Baking time 30 to 40 minutes. Once you make this loaf, this salmon loaf, you can see how it looks. Now, when and how we are going to serve it is the biggest problem. Is the problem? No, it's not a problem. We will see how we are going to serve it and what we are going to do for this, right? So now what we will do is, we have baked it nice, so we can serve like this. See? And spinach and salmon loaf. Oh, I love to put a little bit of tomato sauce. Can have another slice. Okay, small tomatoes, but I have used, couldn't get small ones. It's also nice flavor. Onion flour. We can have it like this. A person could have it for dinner time. We can have it with the dinner buns or whatever you like, right? This is the way you have to have it, right? I hope you will enjoy this type of preparation, and it's a loaf that we have done. This is something different, something unusual, like we have only baked, we didn't even stir fry or do anything. Because I wanted all those vegetables to be chunky, and for you to see how it looks like. So I hope you will enjoy preparing this, and when you bite it also, the taste will come. We don't have to actually, the red pepper, capsicum, all that you can eat half cooked like, and even the spinach also same thing. So you can have it nicely and enjoy with dinner buns or with rotis you can have, or alone, like with the salad and all that, we can have this alone and a bowl of soup. First the soup, then you can have this. That's enough for a meal. Try it out and see how it comes, and hope you will enjoy preparing these type of preparation. Healthy and good preparation. So you will also love to have it. And I hope next week with another episode, I will come back soon to see you all. Bye from me now.